Hey there, Kaelee. Okay, thanks for submitting your icons. I think that's a super cute idea to use them for your chart. How fun is that? So I'm a little worried that you said you only made two because for your points, you need to have made at least four to turn in the draft. So I'm kind of hoping you turned in four on your draft, even though I'm guessing maybe you didn't. But I'm really liking the look of these, honestly. They're really, really funny, really fun. And then I thought it was funny that you said you can't decide if they're scary or not. Because I see where you're coming from. I think the thing that maybe looks a little bit scary is the mouth. Because if I just look at the eyes, it looks totally normal. Maybe the mouths just look a little bit scary. But scary factor aside, these are looking super, super cute. I really like them a lot. I love how you've done a different color to add some of the highlight. That looks really fun. And then like the eyes look really, really good. I'm trying to decide, like the nose almost feels like it's from a different icon because your eyes and your mouth is so detailed. And so I'm wondering, let's see. Okay, so I had a student a while ago. Let me look on my Pinterest board for this class. Oh my goodness, I'm not even signed in. Crazy town. Okay, so I had a student a while ago, or was it one of my students who did the Office characters, which was super funny. Sorry, I just thought of this and I need to pull it up. Icon sets. You're going to see all my Pinterest boards. Icon set project. Okay. So they did, oh yeah, it was Jenny's. Okay, Sister Van Sistine. So she had a student who did the icons for the Office. Now you're actually adding in more facial features. So yours is different than that one. I was wondering if that would be helpful. Let me see if anyone else has done faces kind of like that. It's hard to know what to search for, so kids' faces icon set, because like we could maybe find some really good examples, but they would be sets from a TV series or, something along that line. I'm trying to see how they've done noses. Oh, that's interesting. That's just a shadow and the nose is a bump. But those eyes and mouths are way less detailed than yours. So I'm trying to find icon sets. Oh, maybe this one. Let's look at this one. That one looks relatively detailed. Let's look at this guy. His nose is pretty simple. The eyes still aren't as detailed as yours. Your eyes are pretty detailed. So maybe the nose is looking a little bit weird because your other elements are so detailed. That's kind of what I'm wondering. No, like this person, that's pretty detailed, but the nose is really simple. Let's see, let's zoom in. Let's analyze these noses. Yeah, okay. I think you're on the right track. Let's look at this girl right here in the pink. Her nose is really simple, even though her eyes and her mouth. Your mouth is still, for the ones you're doing, is still more detailed than these. But I think it's okay. I think it's not going to be problematic to keep it more simple like that. Where are you? Here we are. Okay. Yeah, so I think that's fine. That was kind of cool with the shadow on one side and then the nose kind of just being a part of the shadow. You might look at that as a possible option. On your little girl, Ren, I think I saw was her name, which is super cute. Maybe consider adding some type of dimension to the bow. It looks like it doesn't quite fit in with all the other elements where you have this added dimension in her hair. I did notice the shirts don't have any dimension though, so maybe you're keeping this simple on purpose because the shirt is simple too. If that's the case, I'm totally fine with it. I wonder if you made the color in their mouth not black. Maybe if it was like a lighter color. Or maybe if you couldn't see their individual teeth. This is probably why all these people who made these icons didn't have their icons showing teeth, is because it's hard. This is funny. None of these people have teeth. Yeah, interesting. Okay, well, I think you're taking the route less taken and doing something a little bit more difficult. So, I'm fine with it. You could play around with trying a different color in the background. I wonder if I could say, this is going to be weird, faces with teeth icon set. I don't know what's going to turn up here. There, it's going to look really weird. Nope, it's just teeth now. There you go. I think you could head in this direction. Haha, just kidding. Okay, I think you're definitely heading in the right direction. I really like them. Maybe if you made this black, their teeth might not stand out so much. It might take away a little bit. Maybe you just do like a medium color like this, or a lighter color similar as the lips, but just a little bit less saturated inside. That might make it a little bit less scary looking. Maybe the pupil's a little bit smaller. Yeah. Besides that, I think they're looking great. I love them. I'm excited to see your other 2 or 3 more. Yeah, I'm excited to see your other ones. Okay, that's it. Thanks so much, Kaelee.